So the Galaxy Note 10 is the next mainstream flagship phone from Samsung, and it may end up losing a headphone jack and physical buttons. Popular tech websites like The Verge show a strong belief in this part of the news, but Ice Universe on the other hand say that Samsung thought about it. An early prototype of Note 10 didn't have physical buttons, but they didn't continue with this idea for some reason. Of course, it's because of the stability, and also the tech isn't ready to survive for a long period. So the final version of Note 10 still retains physical button, but he also said the headphone jack rumor could be true. It now happens every time before Samsung is ready to launch a new mobile, and seriously, we've got used to it. 2 years back, the Galaxy S8 was rumored to have no headphone jack, and today the S10 still has it. Speculations work like this, but again this time there's a good possibility. Firstly, the rumor is so close to the launch event, and secondly, we now have the premium Galaxy Buds that can boost Samsung's revenue in some couple of months. Remember, Apple introduced the AirPods alongside the iPhone 7 with no headphone jack? That particular move projects the business model of Apple, and now Samsung. They just want to sell wireless earbuds and dongles in exchange of headphone jack. It actually doesn't make any change in terms of technology, as all the components remain same, and to cover up this clever move, they say that they don't have space for it. Obviously it doesn't make any sense, but let's wait for the solid version of this rumor, as the Note 10 hasn't entered the production line yet, and maybe Samsung reconsiders the whole issue. The company published the very famous ingenious ad campaign, which is truly against this move. I'm looking forward to the official event to decide whether it's for Apple or Samsung. Smartphone makers are always experimenting with higher charging speed for mainly the flagship line. It just got possible when Chinese manufacturers showed interest in this side of tech, and that could be the reason why they dominate the charging speed. Samsung on the other hand still uses Quick Charge 2.0, which goes up to 15 watt only. But if we talk about the newest tech, then they could go up to 100 watt with the next big launch. The company has officially unveiled these two USB Type-C chips that can be used in smartphones, tablets, laptops and more. Possibly these chips will be a part of Note project, but the charging speed that you're gonna get with this device will be 45 watt. Ice Universe posted this picture with those binary digits, and the conversion takes us to this number, which is pretty decent. There's a significant improvement in this figure, but at the same time, it's not very new and shouldn't be an advantage for the company. It's like you'll be getting premium feature for a premium phone, and that truly makes sense. At least they could set competition in the market, and we as consumers have an extra reason to consider the Galaxy Note 10. That said, for daily updates like this, you know what to do. Peace out.